Hello friends, have you used ChatGPT or Bard, or have you seen some videos where there is a claim that AI can generate images, videos, even audio? Do you understand how this part of the AI emerged and what it is called? In this video, we will look at generative AI. Stay tuned. We will meet after a short intro. So you have used ChatGPT, right? And maybe heard of Dolly E or Dream Booth. So all these products which are coming up are part of generative AI. In short, Gen AI. We'll talk what is Gen AI, but let's first discuss how the emergence of AI started. I'll talk about the recent developments in the last decade and last 1.5 decade, not before that. You might have used ML, this machine learning. What is machine learning? During the initial days, we have some data and we have some algorithm. So when the power of internet and GPUs emerged, internet bring lot of data and GPUs brought lot of compute power to process heavy algorithm, which led to the emergence and the rise of AI. Now with this, we have lot of data because the internet came up and algorithm which were taking lot of time and compute power, which was not possible before GPUs, but with the GPUs we got that power. So some algorithm like random forest, decision tree, SVM, you might have heard a lot of ML algorithm. These were processing this data, and which brought lot of new insights. So with these new insights, you might have seen and heard about some scenarios where you can predict few things like property rates or whether it is based on historical data, and that data we are running through AI algorithm, ML algorithm, basically these ones and many more to predict few things. Definitely AI ML has supervised and unsupervised use cases. These use cases brought a lot of new applications, but these are mainly on identifying or predict some value or classify. So basically regression and classification problems. After this, there is an emergence of neural networks. These neural network works on the principle how our brain work based on neurons. So they have some information and these connections will get some weights based on back propagation, and it will have some output, and that output can be used for classifications and even predictions few things. So these neural networks led a new branch in AI based which called deep learning. Advent of deep learning brought a new era in AI, which is called generative AI. Now, Gen AI is basically based on deep learning. Deep learning purpose is mainly to predict few things or to classify things. But generative AI, the specialization is it create the content, new content. This new content can be in a text form, images or videos, or even audio. Now each of these branches are different. You might have used ChatGPT or Bard. These are the development because of the developments in text which led to generate content in text form, and the development of this happened with the emergence of transformer architecture. There are many progress that happened in the text area, NLP side. Many new models comes initially RNN and then LSTM. Then once the transformer came, then many more models are developed, and then large language models, which is this ChatGPT or Bard and many others. And these are used nowadays to build many cool applications. In terms of the images and videos, this field emerges with the advent of GAN, Generative Adversarial Network. These are an evaluation of CNN. With GAN, we can create images and videos. There are different types of GAN and still emerging in a different form. You might have used Dolly E to create images, or Dream Booth or Stable Diffusion. These are the latest version of GAN. Similarly, GANs are used for audio as well to generate audio. So generative AI is highly improving these days and bringing a lot of changes in our lifestyle, how we work, how we interact. This is a very emerging field, and career in this are very fruitful. You can learn Gen AI without even learning ML in detail, but you must have some understanding of ML and deep learning. Even if you don't understand fully, but you can start and at least understand how the Gen AI applications works and what are the behind and the science behind it. The main technologies behind this Gen AI is LLM and GAN. So these type of networks are very helpful in advancement of this Gen AI. So let's recap how the emergence of Gen AI happened. In the initial, we have seen what are the different applications of Gen AI that we are using these days, and then how what is the ML and how the ML grows with the advent of internet and GPUs, which led to the explosion of the data and algorithm compute power basically. And there are few use cases in ML, and then the new type of architecture comes, which is neural networks, and this led to the development of the fields in different models in different fields like text, images and audio. So the transform architecture led to the development of LLMs, large language models, which is powering these days GPT, ChatGPT and Bard and other such tools. And similarly, like images and videos are the result of the GAN architecture. And with this, and these are the two major branches of Gen AI, basically. So I hope this video helped you in understanding what is Gen AI and how this Gen AI is linked with previous generation of AI. If you like this video, please share with your friends and click on the like button. Please subscribe to this channel. This will help this channel to grow. Please let me know in the comment section what topics you are looking for, and I will be happy to create videos on those topics. With this note, I will end this video. This is BK from Anika signing off.